right triangle ABC is shown, what is the value of tan A? Okay, here in this right triangle, this is right angle and the interior angle over here is 30 degrees. Then interior angle over here must be 60 degrees. So that the three interior angles of this triangle will add up to 180 degrees. And also this is 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. In this right triangle, the side AC, which is opposite to the smallest interior angle 30 degrees, is the shortest leg. Usually we assume x as the length of the shortest leg in 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. And to get the length of the side which is opposite to the interior angle 60 degrees, what we have to do is we have to multiply the length of the shortest leg x by square root of 3. Then the length of this side BC is x times square root of 3. And we know that this is a hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. And now to get the length of the hypotenuse, we have to multiply the length of the shortest leg x by 2, then we get 2x. So this 2x is the length of AB. But already we have the length of AB, that is 54. So this 2x and 54, both of them represent the same stuff, that is the length of AB. We can equate them. Then we have 2x equals to 54. Let's solve for x in this equation. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting x equals to 54 divided by 2 is 27. Okay, here I got the value of x. Let me replace x by 27. That is the length of the shortest leg over here is 27. The length of the side BC is 27 times square root of 3. And our aim is to get the value of tangent A, the trigonometric ratio tangent A. Okay, let me write it, tangent A. Here we have the vertex A. Considering this vertex A, so this is the opposite side because this side is opposite to vertex A. So BC is the opposite side. And already we know that this AB is the hypotenuse and the name of the third leg AC is adjacent. According to Secato, the formula to get the value of the trigonometric ratio tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, here the length of the opposite side is 27 times square root of 3 and the length of the adjacent side is 27. Okay, here this 27, 27 will cancel out. I am getting square root of 3. Here I got the value of tangent A, that is square root of 3. We find square root of 3 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.